What the octet rule states is that if there is only one shell, then this atom is satisfied and will not tend to react with other atoms if it has 2 electrons. So as long as it has 2 electrons and only 1 orbital, it's happy, right? Stable, happy, will not interact with other atoms. If there are more orbitals, we look at this outermost shell, and that is called the valence shell. I mean, if it only had 1, then that would be the valence shell. So the outermost shell is called the valence shell. And so what an atom wants is either 2 or 8 electrons in its valence shell. So we'll just put 2 there, 2 here, 2 here, and 2 there. So it's just saying that the reason why atoms interact with one another is because they want to reach one of these configurations. They want to have this stable configuration. And what that means is that there's either 8 electrons in the valence shell, if there's more than 1 orbital, or that there are 2 electrons in the valence shell if there's only 1 orbital. Okay? And so we're going to look at, so what happens if they don't, right? What happens if they only have 7 electrons? Are they stable? No, they're not stable. And what are they going to do? They're going to tend to react with other atoms to form a chemical bond because they want to reach stability, right? And so what are the options for reaching stability or forming a chemical bond? They can either share electrons, lose electrons, or gain electrons. And that's how we're going to form these chemical